I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and do a quick morning Monday mask. I purchased these. I have this one and then I have a clear one. I'm not sure where it is, but I've been wanting to try these for a while. It's like a really thin material mask. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see if I can. The only thing bad about these is that it's so hard to open that I'm like ripping the mask as I go. So I'm opening it and it just keeps ripping on the sides. But anyways, so let's see if I can get this thing on because it keeps getting stuck to the foil. Let me see. It's so loud. My daughter is asleep, so I'm trying to not be so loud. But we will see. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have ever used this mask before. So let's see. Oh my gosh. It's so cold. I mean, if you barely touch it, if you barely touch it, it rips. Let's try this again. Pull it, it'll rip. Wait 10 minutes and then I will be back. But look how creepy this looks. Like, I feel like I don't even have it on right. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I need to lift it, but I'm scared it's gonna tear. Okay, well, this is as good as it's gonna get for now. Okay, I think it's on okay. Let me check my mirrors. Okay. Well, okay, 10 minutes and okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes already. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and okay, so let me go ahead and rinse off my face and I will be back. Okay guys, so that mask I will probably never get again, just because I had to wash my face like 3 times before this sticky residue almost stained my face. It was like a grayish tint and it took me, like I said, 3 times before my washcloth was clear. So never again, I will use that mask. So what I'm gonna do next is just use a couple of products that I normally use. The first one is this Age Repair Lotion with sunscreen that I normally put every morning. It's from Olay Professional Pro X Anti-Aging. And I just use a couple of pumps. See that? Just like 2 pumps. It's very concentrated, so I'm going to just tap it on. And I love the fact that it has SPF in it, so I can use it before I put my makeup on. Okay. Now that it's all moisturized and protected by the sun, the next thing I use is from the same brand, Olay. It's an eye restoration complex. And I'm almost out, but all you need is just a little bit. And I just put a couple of dots around the eyes. And then just use your pinky finger, not your pinky, your ring finger. And I just blot it in there. Do a little bit here. On my eye. Like so. And the last thing that I do is use my Red Earth Brightening Concentration Serum. Not sure if you can see that. Excuse my nails. Oh my gosh, how embarrassing. And I just get a little drop and I put it on my lips. And then I put it around the eye. And tap it in. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was short, to the point, and remember I said I am not using that mask again. I just hated what it did. I don't know. I felt like my skin was like super dry afterwards because I did have to wash it 3 times. But never again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have any requested videos, comment down below, let me know, and I'll definitely try and get them up for you. And I hope everyone's having a great day. See you in the next video.
Battling to keep my sanity. Say no